Winter is coming in France too. Today I'll teach you the most useful French phrases for cold weather, cozy days, and holiday vibes. By the end, you'll speak like someone living through a real French winter. Let's start with how to talk about the weather. Il fait très froid aujourd'hui means it's very cold today. Je suis gelé if you're a man, and gelé with double E if you are a woman. I'm freezing. Add a strong one. Le vent est glacial. The wind is icy. Now some useful winter clothes vocabulary. J'ai besoin d'un manteau. I need a coat. Où est mon écharpe? Where is my scarf? Je mets des gants. I'm putting on gloves. These are very common in December and January in France. Later, this is my favorite winter section, cozy drinks. Je voudrais un chocolat chaud. I would like a hot chocolate. Tu veux un thé chaud? Do you want a hot tea? And the survival phrase, on reste à la maison? Should we stay home? Now let's talk about the holidays. J'achète les cadeaux. I'm buying gifts. Le marché de Noël est ouvert. The Christmas market is open. C'est la période de fête. It's the holiday season. You'll hear this a lot in France around this time. Practice with a real conversation. Il fait vraiment froid aujourd'hui. It's really cold today. Oui, je mets mon manteau et mon écharpe. Yes, I'm putting my coat and scarf. Tu veux un chocolat chaud? Do you want a hot chocolate? Oui, volontiers. Yes, gladly. Great job! You learned more than 15 useful winter expressions. Comment below your favorite phrase or sentence and subscribe for more French lessons.